Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am going to share the recipe of Gajar ka halwa, that is carrot halwa. I'll be using whole milk here instead of Khoya because Khoya is not easily available all the time. Without any further delay, let us quickly check out the recipe. I have taken 5 cups of grated red carrots, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, 2.5 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, a tablespoon of split cashews and a tablespoon of raisins. Add ghee to a pan on medium flame and let it heat. Once the ghee is hot, add in the split cashews and cook them until they turn slightly golden in color. Do not forget to stir. Now add in raisins to it and stir it and cook until they fluff up. Then take them off the ghee and keep it aside. To the same pan, add in the grated carrots and mix it well. The carrots have to be well coated with the ghee and the raw flavor of the carrots have to be gone. So it will take about 5 to 7 minutes for the carrots to get cooked really well. Now add in whole milk to it and mix well. Cook it until the mixture is almost 90% dry. Do not forget to stir in between, else it will get stuck to the pan. The milk has to be reduced by almost 90%. As you can see here, it will take some time of course, but it is all worth it. Now we'll add in sugar to it. I like my halwa to be medium sweet, that is why I have added just 1.5 cups of it, but you can always increase or decrease the amount of sugar as per your taste. Once the sugar has melted, the moisture content in the pan has increased and this moisture has to be reduced up to 90%. So we'll continue to cook it until it is 90% dry, and as you can see here, only 10% of moisture is left out. And now we'll add in green cardamom powder to it and mix well. Add in the fried cashews and raisins to it and mix well. As you can see here, the mixture is not completely dry, but it has little bit moisture, and that is exactly how we want it. Now we'll just turn off the flame and serve it hot or cold as per your choice. Enjoy! Wasn't that quite yummy? Do try it at home and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such beautiful recipes. See you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.